So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng SuperGo 99 sa ating Globe SIM. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And kung gusto learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, mula sa ating mobile device, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating phone. So dito guys, sa dial, ita-dial lang natin is *143 number sign or hashtag and then call. So after nyan, may lalabas na option. So piliin nyo lang dito guys yung number 2. So nakalagay is SuperGo 99. So type lang natin yung number 2 and then tap send. And ayan guys, kapag daw nag-register tayo ng SuperGo 99, makakakuha tayo ng 7GB for all sites na data. Valid siya guys for 15 days. Plus, meron pa siyang kasamang Only All Net Text. Good for 15 days, worth of 99 pesos. So, para ma-subscribe or ma-register, type lang natin yung number 1 and then tap send. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng SuperGo 99 sa ating Globe SIM. If you have a question, click comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!